Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about file and its various operations in Java with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. The file class of the java.io package is used to perform various operations on files and directories. There is another package named java.nio that can be used to work with files. A file is a named location that can be used to store related information. For example, main.java. Main.java is a Java file that contains information about the Java program. A directory is a collection of files and subdirectories. A directory inside a directory is known as subdirectory. To create an object of file, we need to import the java.io.file package first. Once we import the package, we can create objects of file. Here, we have created a file object named file_obj. The object can be used to work with files and directories. To create a new file, we can use the createNewFile method. It returns true if a new file is created, false if the file already exists in the specified location. In this example, we have created a file object named file_obj. The file object is linked with the specified file path. Here, we have used the file object to create the new file with the specified path. If demofile.txt doesn't exist in the current location, the file is created and this message is shown. However, if demofile.txt already exists, we will see this message. To read data from the files and to write data to the files, we can use subclasses of packages. I've already created a video on it. Link is provided in description. We can use the delete method of the file class to delete the specified file or directory. It returns true if the file is deleted, false if the file does not exist. In this example, we have created an object of file named file_obj. The file_obj now holds the information about the specified file. Here, we have used the delete method to delete the file specified by the object. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.